Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. SwiftUI online glossary admin app inside. Today we need to create here the product view models we need to develop here and we need to add here some API calls. First of all, now we need to find out here the UI commons and to go inside the globes and to declare here the APIs. Now we need to copy here and to paste this here related to product ads. Copy here and to paste this here and also need to add here product. Now we need to give this here the name add product. Then after update product, then after product list, and last one is product delete. And also one more API for product detail like this sets here. Now we need to create here the new view models and to give this here the select here the new files and select here the shift UI view and click on next. Now need to give this here the name product view model and now need to create series. Now first of all now need to copy here the category view models, copy here the our data and now need to paste inside here's also need to clear this here's all things no needs preview and also need to set here the class and we need to give this here the observable object like this sets and to set it. Now first of all now need to select here the view model list need to give this here the product details, otherwise need to select here the product models. Now copy here to paste this here, select here and to copy and find and to replace this here the product object, replace like this sets here for the products. Now we need to set here the one by ones text fields. We need to setting here are the needs here. First of all now need to given this here the txt name for the give this here the product names. Then after need to set this here the product detail. After need to set here another things. Now then after need to given this here the unit name, then after unit value, then after need to set this here the nutrition weight, and last one is the price like this sets here. And then after need to set here the select category and to define here and as dictionary optionals like this sets. Same as now copy and paste two times and to give this here the select brand and select type like this we need to set here. And then after we need to need this here the nutrition list models we need to need this here at the rate publisher where nutrition list nutrition array and to set this here the tabs as a nutrition model, set here the blank. Then after we need to creating here the image array, and now need to set here UI image set here blank like this array. Need to configurations are the needs here. Then after so need to another publisher variables for the details. Need to give this here the product detail object is equal to need to give this here the optionals product models optional like this sets here the types and another publishers variable so need to given this here the product nutrition list or the use this here the edit times we need to need this here these variables area and now need to set here nutrition models set here blank like this sets here then after another publisher variables we need to need this here set where product image and get this here the whole image array image variables image models need to use this here set here the blank and also need to another publisher variables needs for the drop downs so need to give this here the category list brand list and tab list so need to need here published where and to give this here the category array set here type and stationary like here now need to copy and to paste this here two times now need to set here the brand and type array like this data types are the declarings are the needs and to set here and another two variables need to needs here the publishers where select nutrition object is equal to give this here the types nutrition models optionals and another publishers where and to set this here the txt nutrition name and publishers where txt nutrition well give this here the like this blank value now this is the declaring here the published variables we need to set here. Now we need to calling this here the one by one API. We need to needs here. First of all, now need to set here the opens. Clean box we need to set here txt descriptions we need to set here details are the blank. Then after txt unit name value blank and txt unit val blank txt nutrition's weight need to set here the blank then after txt nutrition name blank txt nutrition weight values set here the blank and also select nutrition objects set here the nil then after need to set here the txt price set here the blank value like this you need to set here and also need to selection objects you need to needs here to clears select category set here the nil select brand set here the nil then after need to set this here the select types set here the nils and also need to image and image array also need to cleanse here the nutritions array set here the blank and image array set here the blank like this we need to variables need to cleanse up the actions open this here the new products need to cleaning this here are the needs then after need to add actions and to validate here the some value please enter here the product names like the sets and then after remove this here the colors Also now need to copy here and to paste this here. Now need to write down here the txt descriptions and to set here the please product description details. Need to add this here. Then after so need to settings this here the select category. If you need to write down here, if select category equal to nil, then to write down here the show these errors. Please select here the category. Please select product category like this. Then after you need to write down here the brand. Select brand. Please select product brand. Then after you need to set this here the type. Please select product type like dairy product, fruit products like this. You need to set here the glossary like this types for the use this here the product types. And then after you need to needs here the units value, unit name like quantity, kilograms, liters like this. Txt unit name and to set here product unit name. Then after unit value, txt unit val and to set here product unit value. Then after you need to given this here the nutrition weight. Write down here the txt nutrition weight. Please enters nutrition weight like this here. And then after you need to write down here, copy and to paste this here and to set this here the product price. And you need to write down here the enterprise. Then after you need to check here image area is empty. Then to please select product image like these configurations are the needs here. Then after we need to call this here the API calls. We need to need share and to pass this here. Same as now need to copy here this value for the edit. Now need to copy here and now need to paste here this value for the editings here. Replace this here and now need to use this here the parsing here the value. Need to set here the product models to set here the value one by one. So now need to copy this here. Set here. Now need to give this here the object dot detail unit name unit well. Then after object nutrition's weight. Then after nutrition's name we need to set here blank. No needs set here like this blank. Now need object dot price. Then after select nutritions we need to set this here as a doubles. We need to given this here as a string. Now we need to set here the value. First of all, now need to find out here the nutrition's area and to call this here the first where and to use this here the n object is equal to now need to check here's returns. Need to write down here the n object dot id is equal to object dot Need to set here the maybe wrong place. So it's get category array and want to set category ID. Value for key and to set this here that as integers not get, then to set this here the minus one. Same as now need to pass the category ID. Clear this here. Same as now need to copy and to set here brands as well as the types. Set here the type array and set here the brand array. Now need to set here the brand ID and here set here type ID. Also change here the brand ID and type ID. Like this need to set years. And nutrition array we need to given this years set here clears this image and like this need to calling this here the edits. Same as now need to call this here the updates, need to call this here the events for the updatings, need to pass here the product ID and need to set here also need to set here for delete product model and to pass this here the product ID. Now need to call this here the API sv product list. Now need to set here the array and to pass this here the product model and returning this here the value. Also need to given this here the ads and to pass this here the parameters. Now need to use set here the sv product ad and need to give this here the image text. Need to set also need to pass this fix product ID and need to pass this same as for the deletes sv product deletes and sv product updates like this calls and to change this here the update inside post methods remove this here the image text. Now need to first of all the add here the all parameters for the ads. We need to set here the one by ones. First ones need to set here the name. Then afterwards need to set here the detail txt detail. Then afterwards need to set here get id is equal to need to set here the select category value for key and to pass this here the get underscore id and we need to if not gets then to pass this here the blank. Same as now need to pass here the brand id and type id. Select brand and select type. Now need to set here the type it copy and paste this like this. Then after need to give this here the unit name. Set here the txt unit name, then after txt unit val, need to set here txt unit val. Then after need to set this here the another parameters for the nutrition weight. Need to set here the txt nutrition weight. Then after price txt price, and last one is the nutrition data. And now need to call this here the nutritions array, and to call this here the map translates here the check all here returns and pass this value one by one. So need to configure this here. Now we need to return here the value as a nutrition name, and nutrition value need to set here txt nutrition and object dot nutrition value and nutrition value object and object dots nutrition, like this returnings. And now need to pass here the JSON serialize, need to needs here, need to check here the common extensions UI extensions inside. Now need to first of all need to write down here to convert here the object to JSON string. Now need to go here the props calls class, and need to find out here the utility, and to given this here the two functions we need to set here. I have a copy and paste this here. Taxi drivers inside need to explain this here the how to work this here to get JSONs and to JSON strings. Need to explain here again. Need to write down these functions for the get here the JSON string. If you pass any object types, you need to given and to return this here the JSON objects JSON serialized. Need to call this here the try case with the JSON serialized data to which JSON object need to pass here and to return this here the JSON string. If not gets, then to set here the blank objects need to returns. Like this need to configurations are the needs and to settings here. Now need to write down here the utility class utility, need to check here extensions globes utils, sessions. And now need to pass this here object and set the type. And like this need to get this here the JSON string and to passing here. And also need to check here the multiparts codings are the needs here. Now need to check here these definitions, and now need to needs here the another way for the headings here the dictionary. Need to check here the key value which will to pass this here. Now we need to get here the value as a image, need to getting here. Now need to change this here the functions. Need to set here modifications or the needs here. Now need to set here the one flags. Need to given this here is image UI image is key. Set here bool and we need to set here byte first set the false. If this is the true means we need to key as a UI image and value is a key we need to set here. Like this we need to setting here. Now we need to change here the orders which to false. Now we need to set if here the is UI then to set set value. If not then to set this here the change is UI is value and set key. Like these conditions are the we need to setting here UI image like this and now to check here the first ones we need to pass here the key as a UI image we need to set and two parameters as I need to set here the image parameters we need to given this here. Like this we need to change here modifications and now need to returning here the UI. Now we need to call this here the image array and need to call this here the maps and to convert image and now need to return here as a dictionary need to pass here the image and now need to key as I need to passing here as image like this. We need to call here the add image. We need to setting here and we need to convert as a NS dictionary. Maybe it's not to write down here where NS mutable dictionary image object is equal to need to write down here the NS dictionary. Maybe need to set types UI image set string like this flag. Pass this here this object as a image object as we need to put this here the NS dictionary like here. Now need to call this here the for each and now need to image objects pass image is equal to use this here the name as a image key names need to set here for this array. Like this we need to modifications are the needs for the add. Same as now need to call this here the updates parameters now need to given this here now need to copy here these all things and we need to paste here like here need to set here and same as we need to call this here the delete API like this adds here and tomorrow we need to see this here the product details API we need to call this here and also nutritions add updates deletes and need to list as well as we need to call this here the product image add deletes we need to API we need to integrate inside the view models If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.